Lanta AI is a brand new AI software that's quickly gaining attention, and in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before deciding whether it's right for you. If you're curious about how this tool can level up your digital marketing or streamline your workflows, keep watching. First, let's start with the basics. Lanta AI is designed to simplify a wide range of tasks, whether it's content creation, customer outreach, or automating day-to-day processes. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. If you're someone who struggled with AI tools in the past, this might just be the one that changes the game for you. One of the standout features of Lanta AI is its ability to generate high-quality content in seconds. Whether you need blog posts, social media captions, or even email sequences, it has templates and customization options that make the process fast and efficient. This is perfect for digital marketers, bloggers, or anyone looking to automate their content creation without sacrificing quality. Plus, you can get started completely free from the link below to see if it fits your needs. But content generation isn't where Lanta AI stops. It also boasts strong capabilities for automating customer service. You can integrate it with your website or social media to automatically respond to common customer inquiries. This can save you hours every week, making your workflow more efficient and freeing up time for other tasks. Another thing you need to know is that Lanta AI offers smart analytics. As you use it, the software tracks performance metrics like engagement, click-through rates, and response times, providing actionable insights to improve your content and customer interactions. If you've been using traditional methods of tracking performance, this will save you a lot of time, offering more precise, actionable data in a fraction of the time. Now, let's talk about the customization. Lanta AI doesn't just work out of the box with generic templates. You can tweak its behavior and responses to match your brand's voice. This makes it ideal for businesses or content creators who want AI that feels personal and aligned with their brand's identity. Instead of sounding robotic, your interactions will come across as tailored and professional. Another impressive feature is its scalability. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, Lanta AI can grow with you. You can integrate it into your existing workflows, and as your needs evolve, the software adapts to accommodate them. This is one of the key reasons why it's appealing to both small business owners and larger enterprises. Security is another area where Lanta AI excels. You're able to manage your data with confidence, knowing that the platform follows best practices in AI security and data privacy. For any company or individual worried about security risks with AI tools, this offers peace of mind, which is essential in today's landscape. Lastly, Lanta AI provides solid customer support. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or need help understanding how to use a feature, the support team is responsive and helpful. This level of customer service can be a game changer for anyone who spent hours trying to get answers from a chatbot or forum. To wrap up, if you're looking for a software that can help with content creation, customer service automation, performance tracking, and more, Lanta AI could be the solution you've been waiting for. It's easy to use, flexible, and designed with both beginners and pros in mind. Remember, you can try it completely free through the link below, so why not give it a shot and see how it can work for you. And as always, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've put together my top recommendations, all linked in the description below.